All right, so today we're going to learn how to navigate the Beth Sholom calendar. And as you can see, we're starting off at our home page. You just scroll over to the calendar link right here. And the calendar displayed is always going to be the current month and also show the current day. And you can tell it's the current day because the current date will be highlighted in a yellow box. And on the left hand side, this is the English date, and then on the right hand side, this is the Hebrew date. To go to the previous calendar, you select the back arrow on the left side. And then if you want to go to the next calendar or future calendars, you can use the arrow on the right. And if you want to find a specific date on the calendar, you go to the date calendar drop down and you select specific date. And then this box will appear, and this will give you the option to select the month that you want to go to. Let's say we want to go to the year, and then you select the date. And then once you have that date, you press Update View. And you always want to select Update View while modifying your search, or else the search will not save. The next one is the categories on the calendar, and we have color-coded categories. We have adult education, regular Beth Sholom events, the Early Childhood Center. We have other programs, and as you can see, the list goes on. You also have the option to select one or two categories at a time, and if you select one or two and you press Update View, it then shows you the calendar with only those categories showing. Or if you want to do even more, you can select more options, press Update View, and then you'll see the other categories that you selected have also populated. And if you don't see a class on the calendar that is usually scheduled to be on the calendar, that means that class has been removed or canceled. And it's always smart to check with the office to see if that class has been canceled. Additional filters, we also have the option. We first want to clear these out. If you want to view you can press more filter/views, and if you want to filter the calendar by the category, you can choose today's date. Depending on the layout, you can view the calendar by week, day, month, and you can also choose to download it as either a PDF or Word document, and then you just press download and it'll display in your downloads folder. Our weekly events and programs displayed on the calendar. So these are displayed in time order every day. If you want to find out more information on an event or program, you simply just click the event, and what'll populate is a box at the top with the date, time, and also a little paragraph of information. And now, how do we look at weekend events on the calendar? Well, these are displayed the same way, except that our big calendar events are highlighted at the top. So, for example, here you see our honorary gala event. And you can contact the office at office@bethsholom.org if you have any questions.